Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about think big. Your first $20,000 a month, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, where the mind goes, the man goes, okay? And what I want you to start to do, ladies and gentlemen, is you got to think big, okay? So many of you guys are setting your standards too low. $10,000 a month is good. But when you hit $10,000 a month, why not hit 20 or 30? You guys got to think big, okay? And how do you think big? You got to set goals, okay? You got to set big goals. A lot of you guys' goals is just too low, okay? And I want you to start to think big. The bigger you think, ladies and gentlemen, the more things you're going to be able to achieve. Life is short, ladies and gentlemen, okay? And if you want to really get ahead and live and have the finer things in life, you got to think big. And I believe the reason why so many people are struggling is they have low goals. They're not thinking big enough. Ladies and gentlemen, my mentors told me, hey, Maurice, you got to think bigger than that. $1,000 a month is nothing. You got to put that thing up to 10 and 20 and 30. So what I want you guys to start doing, okay, and I'm going to give you guys some tips and some strategies and how to hit your goals and to make $20,000 a month in SMMA, because it's really simple, okay? All right. So what you have to do is level up, okay? A lot of you guys are leveling down, but you got to level up, okay? So if you want to make $10,000 or $20,000 a month, first of all, it has to be in a mind. It has to be on a piece of paper. So the first thing I need you to do is put that big goal. I don't want you to, we're going to do this interactive. This is an interactive training, all right? I want you to take that goal, a big goal, okay? Something big you want to accomplish, all right? Write it down on a piece of paper right now, all right? I want you, we're gonna 20x. All right, there's a saying out there, 10x, and we're going to 20x's. I'm going to show you guys how to hit any goal that you want, okay? So write that down, all right? Whether it's 20,000, 25, 50,000. Some of you guys want to make 100,000, all right? And it, like I said, once again, if you only want to make $1,000 to $2,000 a month, that's great. But ladies and gentlemen, you guys can make that working at Amazon. You know, Amazon pays 17 bucks an hour in California at least, okay? Tesla, you know, they same thing. They pay around $17 an hour, you know, in California where I'm at, okay? But I want you to think bigger, okay? Because here's the thing. Here's the common denominator. Here's the secret. It takes no more energy to make $20,000 a month than it is to make $1,000 a month. Write that down. Ladies and gentlemen, that's hot off the press. So why not go for the big things in life? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you shoot for the moon, you'll still land amongst the stars. So shoot for the moon. Okay, the reason why most people are hitting low is because they're aiming low. Okay, you got to shoot high. You got to aim high in life. Too many of you guys are aiming low in life. Aim for the stars and the moon. You know, don't just aim for a Ford, aim for the Bentley. Okay, aim high. Because ladies and gentlemen, the truth of the matter is where your goals and your ambitions are is where you end up. And the reason why most people are ending up at $5,000 a month, because that's as high as they aimed. That's all they wanted. You know, Napoleon Hill talks about, I bargained for life and life gave me a penny. And what he mean is this: if you bargain with life for a penny, you'll get a penny. But if you bargain for life for 100 G's or a million, it'll give you a million or 100 G's. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, what I'm telling you is that if you want more corn, you got to plant more seed. If you only put a few seeds in the ground, you're going to get a few stalks. Okay? So it's no different than if you went outside and planted, 100 seeds versus 5 seeds, okay? The same amount of energy, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, you got to think big. A lot of you guys aren't thinking big enough. And if you're not thinking big enough, you won't be able to hit the big numbers that you see other people hitting. The reason why other people are hitting big numbers, even myself, on my way to making 50 G's a month in SMMA, is because it's in my mind. I have it written down as a goal, okay? You have to set that stuff as a goal. All right. Just like getting clients. A lot of you guys are having problems with getting clients. The only reason why you're having problems with getting clients is because you're having that problem with getting clients up here. Mindset. It's all about mindset. If you get that out and say, hey, you know what? Today is my day to get clients. You're going to get clients. Plain and simple. Today is the day. And you have to set your mind and your mentality the right way, or else you won't be successful. You know, success is all about mental. It's a mental game. All right. And that's why I'm telling you, set your dreams and ambitions high. Think big. Instead of 10,000, think 20,000, 50,000, 30,000. You know, think a million. Think big. The bigger you think, okay, and the bigger your goals and ambitions, the bigger the things you'll be able to achieve and accomplish in your life. Okay. You will be able to accomplish way much more, ladies and gentlemen, if you aim high. Okay, don't aim low no more. A lot of you guys been around here plucking with the chickens. Clucking with the chickens. It's time for you to aim for the eagles and hang out with the eagles. Notice that an eagle never hangs low. An eagle is always soaring high. Okay, and I like to hang with the eagles. I consider myself an eagle. So if you guys want to hang with me and be a part of my network and my mastermind groups and all that type of stuff we have set up for you, you got to come big, okay? You got to go beast mode, okay? So let's get back to how are you going to accomplish this goal, okay? If you got to go to make $20,000 a month. Now watch this. I said it takes no more energy to make $20,000 a month as it does to make $10,000 a month. Same amount of energy, okay? Now here's the thing. When I first started in SMMA and I made, $10,000 a month, I went from a warehouse worker to making $10,000 a month, six-figure income in SMMA my first year. Ladies and gentlemen, I was making calls and, doing the thing and buying the courses and the tapes and all that stuff, investing in my mind and all that good stuff, okay? Now, that's what got me to $10,000 a month, okay? What do you think happened when I went from 10,000 to 20,000 and then from 20,000 to 30,000? Now I'm teetering around 35 to 40 and on my way to 50. Okay, think about it. I want you to think about what changed, what happened. Did you know, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still doing the same stuff? It's a little easier because my skill set is higher. But it's the same thing. I'm still making cold calls. It takes no more energy to make $10,000 a month as it does to make $30,000 or $40,000 a month. It's the same stuff, okay? It's the same stuff. Same energy, all right? So, ladies and gentlemen, now what I want to show you is this. If you want to make $10,000, $20,000 a month, all you have to do, what you lack in skills, you make up in numbers. So if it's taking you 5 people to get one, now you need to double it or triple it, okay, or quadruple it, okay, for that matter. If it takes 5, if you get 10, you got 2, okay. If you do 20, then you have 4, okay. What you lack in skills, you make up in numbers. So I just want you to attack your goals from that mentality, all right. The same stuff that I did to hit $10,000 a month is the same stuff that I use to make $50,000 a month, okay? It's the same stuff. It's the same information, okay? Now, if I want to just, 20x it, all right, instead of making 10 calls a day, maybe I'll make 20 calls a day, all right? I just double it. So now instead of getting 4 clients, I may get 8 clients. Or instead of getting 5 clients, I may get 10 clients, okay? I just 20x it, all right? See, a lot of you guys want to only put forth a little effort, but yet you want a lot back, okay? You got to roll your sleeves up and go to work, man. This is not for the faint at heart, as they say. Social media is not for the faint at heart. That's why most people don't want to cold call, okay? This ain't for wimps, okay? This is for those of us that are willing to go beast mode. We're willing to roll our sleeves up and fight with those clients to get what we want out of life. That's what it's all about. You know, when people tell me no, no one's going to stop me. Okay, and that's the mentality you have to have. Nobody's going to stop you. You're going to accomplish that $20,000 a month goal that you set out to accomplish. See, the reason why most people don't set big goals, ladies and gentlemen, is really simple. They don't believe they can do it. They don't believe. And in order to achieve, you must believe. You have to believe things before you see them. I believe that before I make 50 G's, I'll hit it. Okay, that's mindset. And let me tell you something. If you have to see it before you believe it, you'll never achieve it. Okay, you can write that one down and take that to the bank and cash it. If you have to see things before you believe them, ladies and gentlemen, you'll never achieve them. See, I see the future of my company, okay, on how it can make millions of dollars before it manifests, because it's all about mindset. Napoleon Hill made a fantastic book. It took him 20 years to write. And if it took a man 20 years to write this book, I think everyone should read it. But he says the title of this book is Think and Grow Rich. Think. He didn't say work. See, a lot of you guys have been trained to work, and you got to work, but it's all about more about mindset, thinking. And that's why I titled this Think Big. Okay, I didn't say work big, and it's going to take work. And sometimes you do have to work long hours to achieve your goals, but it's all about your thinking. Okay, if you guys have poor thinking, it leads to poor finances, poor lifestyle. So I want you to get your thinking wealthy and think big. That was the whole purpose of this video, because a lot of you guys are you got low ambitions. And if you got low ambitions, you won't be motivated. You won't be ambitious to do what is necessary to hit big goals and big dreams. See, a lot of you guys probably never thought about making $20,000 a month. You guys are probably like, man, Maurice, $20,000 a month, I don't see my... See, change that thinking. Okay, change that right now. A lot of you guys say, man, Maurice, I'm afraid of the phone. Get rid of that. Stop saying that to yourself and say, hey, I can do it. I can make calls like Maurice. I can buy the courses like Maurice and read the books and get a coach. Okay, I can do this. And if you guys set that mentality, you will. Okay, you will make thousands and thousands of dollars based on the information that I'm telling you on this video. Okay, watch this video 100 times, ladies and gentlemen. This is some powerful stuff. It's some life transforming information that I'm giving you. It changed my life. I went from working at a warehouse to making 6 figures. Now here I am making almost $250,000 a year in SMMA, really part-time. Okay, why? Mindset. Think big. I thought big, and it happened for me. So I'm telling you guys, think big. Stop thinking $5,000, $2,000 a month. Think $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month, $90,000 a month. Now, you may not achieve it right away, but you got to say to yourself, I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm going to get this. Okay. I'm going to make this thing happen. Then you'll start making 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. And then as your mind is geared, you know, is geared in to making that, you'll eventually make it. You will eventually make it. Where the man goes, where the mind goes, the man goes. Keep that in mind. Okay? So folks, that's it. I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, make sure you guys comment below. Hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. I put out fire like this to help you guys hit your goals, to accomplish the things you want. If you guys need help, click the link in the description. I'll show you guys how to go from $0 to $15,000 a month. How I signed up 3 clients in 7 days. Also, you guys can sign up for coaching. If you need someone to coach you, motivate you, help you to do what's necessary to get to that $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month magical level that you want, you may need a coach. If you've been struggling, you guys can sign up for that in the description. If not, see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.